What the? What the heck?
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time.
What does this mean?
At 4:15
What does
p.m.
mix
Central
mean?
Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Irving, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, Irving, and DFW Intel Airport around 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 430 and 443. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Bro, what the heck does mix mean?